fame. Bessie Coleman, that's her name. She had a dream, so she pursued it. Wanted to fly, she knew she could do it. Things you can do if you put your mind to it. She was a student, she wanted more. Spreaded her wings, went to explore. First black pilot, she really could soar.
I think you've always known. I think you've always known. I think you've always known that you fly, Bessie. I think you've always known. Woohoo! This is awesome!
I'm so happy you're home.
Ready? Action.
Hi, my name is Zori, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna be playing.
Hi, my name is Zori. Action.
Hi, my name is Zori, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna be playing in the new movie. Hi, my name is Zori, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna be playing Bessie Coleman in a new movie we're filming, Airplane Adventures. I'm so excited.